Good morning, sir. We are the team Twin Spark. I am Shivani Shri. I am here to explain you about our idea of Asha AI chatbot. According to the problem statement, we saw that real-time job listing, event listing, and s- uh, learning suggestions, and also career guidance and mentorship guidance, and so on can be done by Asha AI. And for that, we have integrated YouTube public APIs, and for job listing, we have integrated remote jobs, and for listing ticket masters and so on, likewise for mentorship and so on. And also Asha AI bot can also refer its documents for answering, as we have embedded some documents in vector db. We have used pinecone vector db, and the model refers those vectors for answering the queries as per the user's requirements. And it also helps users discover what to learn, where to apply, and whom to follow. It also reduces confusions by offering a guided AI based path. It also adds value with YouTube learnings and tagging messages. Users can tag the important messages according to their requirement. And chat memory, all the chat done by the users are stored using MongoDB Atlas, and those can be retrieved also. And tagging messages is that, for example, if a user asks about front-end development, and those answers given by Asha is helpful, users can tag those messages as front-end for future reference. A set of question and answers, multiple set of question and answers can be tagged in particular tag as front end, or so anything else for future reference by the user. For semantic search, we have used Pinecone, and for job listing, we have used Remotive API. And in future enhancement for betterment, we can use LinkedIn APIs and Indeed APIs. As of now, we have used Remotive API because LinkedIn API and Indeed APIs requires a certain time, like 3 to 4 weeks, for approval. And for event listing, for now, we have used the Ticketmaster. And for guiding the learning path, we have used YouTube public API. Message tagging is done with our UI features, and chat is stored using the MongoDB. In future enhancement, we can enhance. Before now, career roadmaps are given in textual format. For visual format, for betterment visualization, we can generate the relevant images, flowcharts, and so on. For flexible sign-ins, we have planned that Google sign-in and LinkedIn sign-in would be the better and easy format of logging in or signing up. And for users convenience, dark and light mode can be used. And contextual memory integration, for now memory is stored, that is, the chat is stored in MongoDB, but those chats are not retrieved and fed to the model for answering the queries according to the history done by the users. That can be enhanced in future. And socket IO, for now, once the model creates the entire response, it is showcased in the front end. But in future, we can enhance by integrating it with socket IO, so that real time streaming messages can be sent to the UI for betterment. And for cross platform, we can use Flutter. Flutter app so that Android and iOS mobiles also can be used. And for Flutter apps, we can use Firebase or Firestore for storage also. Then AI, agentic AI capabilities, we have to enhance as we have not given the memory, and so we can give the Asha with chat memory, and so that it can be enhanced. Here is the flow diagram. When the user gives the input, uh, it analyzes the AI analyzes the query, whether it is the career guidance or job related queries, or event related queries, or mentorship related queries. If it is the career guidance, it refers the pine cone as some of the documents are embedded and stored in Pinecone, and that is a vector DB. It refers those for career guidance, or if it is the job event or mentorship advice, it calls the integrated public API of those, and gives the response to user. And these question, that is the user input queries and the response given by the AI, are stored in MongoDB for future reference. And here are the technologies used for our solution. For front end, we have used Next.js and Tailwind for styling. For as of now, we have developed only the web application. We have used Next.js and Tailwind CSS. And for cross platforms, we can enhance it by using the Flutter Dart programming. For models, AI models, we have used the Gemini 1.5 Pro, and for embedding model, as we embedded the documents and stored in vector DB, we have used embedding model, embedding 001. As I told earlier, we have used Pinecone for semantic search engine vector DB. And for backend, we have used technologies of Fast API for API endpoints, and Socket IO can be integrated in future for real-time communication. And we have used MongoDB Atlas for now, as it is a web API. And these are the API integrations used, and these future API enhancement is that these APIs require approval time for longer, like 3 to 4 weeks, so that we have not used right now. These can be enhanced in future for betterment of Asha. And this is the user interface of our web application. And here is the live demo of our application. Here is the live demo of our web application. Sometimes the backend is slow, as we have used the free version of render.com for backend deployment. And here is the results, job opportunities for front end jobs. We have fetched it using the remote APIs. And when tagging this message as front end, This message is tagged, and when clicking, I'm clicking the front end, and this is the previous message which I have tagged as front end, and this is the current message uh, which is now tagged as front end. There's the two messages are tagged as front end that is displayed here, and this is the backend API docs for tagging messages, remove tag, all of those are listed here. Thank you, sir, and that's all about our project.